Hello everyone, it's Victor here, and today we're going to explore the various holidays taking place on March 28th. Get ready to celebrate with family, friends, or even just take a break for yourself. So, let's dive in. Respect Your Cat Day. Respect Your Cat Day is celebrated on March 28th every year and is a day that encourages cat owners and cat lovers to show appreciation and respect for their feline companions. The day is an opportunity to celebrate the bond between humans and cats and to recognize the many ways in which cats enrich our lives. To celebrate Respect Your Cat Day, people may choose to spend extra time playing with their cats, giving them treats or special toys, or simply spending time cuddling and bonding with them. They may also use the day as an opportunity to learn more about cat behavior and care, or to support organizations that work to improve the lives of cats and promote cat welfare. National Hot Tub Day. National Hot Tub Day is a day that celebrates the relaxation and therapeutic benefits of hot tubs. Although it is not an officially recognized holiday, some hot tub manufacturers and retailers have designated March 28th as National Hot Tub Day. On this day, people are encouraged to spend time relaxing in a hot tub, either alone or with friends and family. Hot tubs can provide a range of health benefits, including stress relief, improved circulation, and reduced muscle tension. Some people may use National Hot Tub Day as an opportunity to invest in a hot tub for their home or to upgrade their existing hot tub. Others may celebrate by throwing a hot tub party or by visiting a local spa or hot springs. National Weed Appreciation Day. National Weed Appreciation Day is an annual event that is observed on March 28th in the United States. This day is dedicated to promoting awareness and appreciation for the value of weeds. Contrary to popular belief, not all weeds are harmful or useless plants. Some weeds actually have important ecological roles, such as providing food and habitat for insects and other wildlife. Additionally, some weeds have medicinal properties, while others are edible and can be used as herbs for cooking. National Weed Appreciation Day provides an opportunity for people to learn more about the benefits of weeds and to recognize their important contributions to the ecosystem. American Diabetes Alert Day. American Diabetes Alert Day is an annual observance held on the fourth Tuesday in March, which aims to raise awareness about the seriousness of diabetes and encourage people to take action to prevent or manage the disease. The day is sponsored by the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and focuses on the risks and symptoms associated with type 2 diabetes in the U.S. The ADA provides various resources to help individuals assess their risk, including the Diabetes Risk Test. Healthcare professionals, including pharmacists, play a critical role in treating diabetes and educating patients and their caregivers about proper medication use. American Diabetes Alert Day is an opportunity to promote diabetes awareness and encourage people to take action to prevent or manage the disease. National Black Forest Cake Day is observed on March 28th every year. Black Forest cake is a type of cake that originated in the Black Forest region of Germany and is made with layers of chocolate cake, whipped cream, and cherries. It is typically garnished with chocolate shavings and more cherries on top. On National Black Forest Cake Day, people celebrate this delicious dessert by indulging in a slice or making their own version of the cake. Some bakeries or restaurants may even offer special deals or promotions on Black Forest cake for the day. It's a fun way to enjoy a sweet treat and celebrate a classic dessert. That's it for today. Enjoy these fantastic celebrations on March 28th, and remember to make time for your loved ones and yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic time celebrating.